Successful home business tips for beginners. Define a clear vision and mission. Start at the right time. The right business strategy. Calculate capital requirements. Starting a business from home does not require large capital. You can take advantage of vacant land or even just with a gadget and the internet. So, running a home business is very suitable for novice entrepreneurs. There are many home-based business ideas with minimal capital that you can try, such as selling online, food stalls, becoming a dropshipper, and many more. However, even though the capital is minimal, there are still some things that must be prepared. What are some home-based business tips that must be prepared so that your home-based business can quickly achieve success? Let's take a look at some of the following important points. Define a clear vision and mission. The first step that must be taken before starting a business is to have a clear vision and mission, whether it's a small-scale or large-scale business. With a clear vision and mission, you have targets to be achieved, as well as strategies to achieve these targets. So, business is not just running without a clear goal. Start at the right time. To start a business, you really shouldn't procrastinate so that the business can be carried out quickly. However, also make sure to take advantage of the right opportunities and timing. For example, ahead of the month of Ramadan, you can take advantage of this opportunity to sell products or services related to the nuances of Ramadan. The right business strategy. When you start a business, besides selling unique products, you must have a sales strategy that attracts customers. One of the determinants of the success of your business is a promotional strategy. So that promotional activities do not spend a lot of budgets and are effective, then the target of your business promotion must be right. Utilizing digital technology is one of the efforts to determine the right promotion target. Calculate capital requirements. Finally, prepare enough capital to run a home business. Take into account the important needs to support your business activities. You can also use existing equipment at home. Sufficient working capital is needed for various business activities, such as promotional activities, operations, and so on. If your business capital is not enough, then you can take advantage of a low-interest business capital loan. You can take advantage of a business capital loan with a guarantee such as BFI Finance or without a guarantee such as BFI Self, which is shown specifically for online entrepreneurs. Those are a number of home business tips that you can do in preparation for your home business. Happy to start your own business and good luck.